Cutting-edge automation and industry-standard equipment come together in AMATROL's Tabletop Smart Factory. Incorporating a FANUC robot, a cageless safety system with a laser scanner, and state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 technology, students get hands-on experience with the latest in smart automation. Equipped with smart sensors and cloud-based software, students are taught how these systems work together in today's smart factories. They can monitor the system for data and troubleshoot via visual communication software in a mobile app. When paired with AMATROL's e-learning curriculum, students learn everything from system operation to managing the trainer's Ethernet network. Get automation into your students' hands with AMATROL's Tabletop Smart Factory.